And I'm Nelson.
And we are from Electronics Made Easy. So in many parts of today's world where energy and electricity are becoming increasingly scarce, we are forced to look at ways to generate electricity in ways that are less polluting to the environment. And in particular, one such way is solar power, and we have made a prototype just to work on that. So what does this do, Nelson?
Most traditional solar panels are static, but ours is adaptive and can move according to the position of the sun. So it allows you to maximize the capture of energy, and it has 4 satellite sensors here to change its position.
So if it's brighter here, it will move here and likewise here. And one particular feature I want to draw you to is that you see as it moves that the light changes, and if I cover this completely there's no more light. So this is a tracking feature for it to tell whether it's working and if there's enough solar power for the day. So why we're actually doing this is that we want kids to learn that you have to design solutions that are smart, to be adaptive, so that you can make your solution as efficient as possible. And when we do this on a small scale, when we bring it up to the actual house, because this is a small house, you'll be able to prevent these fundamental issues from occurring again when you bring them up. And this will save a lot of cost. It will generate that design thinking, that efficiency. You always have to keep that in mind when you design it. So this is a good thing for kids, and it can be applied to many other electronic products.
Could you explain what is the technology that we use? What microprocessor? What are the parts? What are electronic parts that we use in this solar tracking system?
So there's a microbit here. It used to be made of Arduino, but now we have a microbit, which is a small electronic board which can by itself. So I'm going to bring it up here. So this is a microbit here with an extension board. So what this does is it has an accelerometer gyroscope. It's basically a microprocessor with things built into it. So it's compact and it can control the entire system here. The LED, the 2 servo motors here we have. So what this does is, because it uses block-based coding, it's pretty easy for kids to learn it straight up as compared to Arduino, which uses C. So we start off on a smaller scale, on a more understandable level and fun way for kids, so that they can get their basics of coding up. So it uses 4 photoresistors, so the value changes as you cover them or the light changes. And this triggers an effect on the servo to move, such as it reaches the place where the light is actually shining at. So it's some compensation, some differences that we are calculating and making it move accordingly. So with that, we thank you for your time in listening to this, and if you're interested in more of what we do, you're welcome to contact us here, right here. Thank you.
Thank you.